We are pleased to show you the 2020 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.